Who's still shooting? Oh, what? Where did this guy come from? Man, get our 2 snipers. And did I turn him on and off? Yeah. Fire's dangerous. Div, you can put the fire out here. Very good. And then you're getting close, but we can always res you. Do we have a Insanity Lance? We do. Who's down? Oh. Wait, 3 more? Oh, the fire burns out this one, so they will come back. That's good to know. That's actually a better spot, too. Start putting out the fire. So you guys can't really do much else. Yeah. Incapacitated, nice. We get to keep him. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. And we'll hold that open. And go for you, go for you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, who's got the... I thought... Yeah, you guys stop firing your fire. Do not go outside. Do not go outside. Grumpy is using sulfur... Okay. We could do a, let's lob a couple. We're not in the greatest defensive. Fucking blasted him in the skull. We really don't care about this fire. Please don't just send everybody over here. Uh-oh. Chimera, Shambler John, not Shambler John! Alright, Lou, put some of the guys here. We need to definitely make these into... Whoa, 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 whoa. You have enough to finish that. Get your ass back here. He does such a good job at cleaning. He's gonna self-resurrect. Equip the gun so he can't take it. Ivan is fleeing. Oh, there is a fire. We'd be good. And there should be no more... Oh, he's got one more death refusal. How about this guy? Let's put you over here. Oh, is this all the close combat? Oh, this is awesome. Forgot self-destruct. Alright, and you come here. You come here. Make sure these. And then Lori. Get your ass over here. Back over here and grab that. I don't know if snipers are that great. They're good for very specific things, but I'm gonna start. Jump behind you. I want to do that. Prissy is getting. We back up. Yeah, it's no. Fuck. Should I resin? Get you. Ooh, that's not what you want to do. Oh, he went down. Oh, he's back up. The old switcheroo. Get at it. Oh, he's back down. And then you. Lori's got the wall, right? We block. Where's Ivan? Let's coagulate his body. Lori, teleport cows. Oops. There you go, and you. Just got back from Vegas. Oh, poor, didn't do so well. I think these guys are all loyal. Death refusal. Yeah, he's just gonna die. And you're just gonna die. Yeah. No tough trait. Nope. Alright, you can rescue him. And cows. Come over here. Here, you self this. Does he have revival? He does. He's almost dead. These guys are going around. Cows is going after him. You can try to get down here. AG up front. And jump over the fire because you'll get scared. Just keep running. And then where's Ivan? Alright, he's coming. You get ready to beat the shit out of this guy. How come we can't hit these guys? Oh. You guys need to do the long shots. Oh shit. 1 hour? We're really close. You go. Everyone who's injured. Oh wait, I think you're still coagulating him, right? Yeah. There's so much blood. Might as well use it. Slowly coming. And then we can. And we'll bring you guys up front. Damn, hand cannon's got some range. Grab sniper as well. Set up here. And we've got 3 hours on the wall. Let's actually move. I think we can kill it. Put div. Actually, let's move cows right next to this guy. And you can just go to town on him. Already just got smoked. We're not as strong as I thought we were. It was definitely worrisome. Pardon me. How's it going, DK? I don't want to hit Ivan. You stay. You fire against Noodles. And then you can't really do much here. You fire. You you got one hand. You guys can get this. We will use herbal on him. Probably should use herbal on everybody. Oops. And then that's gonna be a huge ass fucking fire now. Here. Whoa, I'm leaning a little bit off them. Rory, you can come over here as well. Oh, okay, they're gonna go for the security door. What's wrong with this one? Escape. Ooh, Kylie and... bring you up front. Cows. Chop died. Did he get shot in the head? Probably. Ooh. Put you guys here. Boar. Oh, he sniped the guy. Oh shit. Is that all we brought? Is that all we have? Yeah. I think that'll be fine. Shambler's easy. Show might be a rude awakening when he comes out of there. We're back alright, alright. And then you, sir. You guys are pretty damaged, so I might... Who's this guy? 2 hours. Night Owl, body modder, construction, and mining. I was hoping fire would be useful, but I think it's actually hurts us more, especially with the 2 vamps. So probably won't use the incendiary again. We'll consider it. We're running out of fingers for div. Getting fucking sniped. Oh. Of course. That's pretty crazy. How's it going, final? Royal. And then you. Artie, you should probably eat some food. Thank you. And then once everyone got their food, ooh, that's a, you just fired at a, uh-oh, vampire. Get you out of here, put you in behind. Oh, can I not see? Now we could res Chop. We do have another res. He is our cleaner. And they're a medic. He lost his right hand. Do I really care about him? Oh. Let's get the guys with shields up front. Ooh, I don't know if... Okay, let's go here, get everybody out. Back up here. Ooh. Go, 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 go. And then... Oh, no, never mind. He's through the heart. I need longer range weapons. Okay, let's get you. Ooh. Let's move that. Wait, I don't think the fire went off. We might actually be okay. Okay, you guys should be good now. So you can leave, except for you. Alright, anyone here that's good. Just consume you. Don't consume the pig. Oh, she doesn't have enough energy. No, he died. And then you guys killed him too. Ooh, that was close. Wait, why is he still firing it? Oh, how? Alright, Kylian. You've already healed up. Artie is 10 to Kylian. And we'll get all our snipers around the other side. However, you, sir, we're going to turn off fire at will, because we don't... Wait, where's your position? Let's do, you stop here. Lori, Div. Put you here. And you guys all came up. And the happy music kicks in, like... Is it for happy? Ooh, fast walker. I think everyone else is dead, right? Wait. And then Artie. Oliver. Did he die again? Did we just one tap him? Yeah, he just died again. Those guys can go around the... Yeah, let's do it. Jump packs. Who was researching? And we're gonna put fresh. Oh no, sorry. Rotten. Lori, Walrays. Just temporarily cut their. So, yeah, we'll cut their. And then where is Ivan? It's neat. I'd like to go back sometime. Yeah, dang, this big hole. Yeah, we're getting up there. Oh no, he's dead. And he's dead. Then to Oliver. And then to you. That's mainly, we could use, yeah, we'll do that because it'll level up his shit. But we nice shot, Div. Alright, these guys are very injured. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Hijinks, what's Hijinks doing? You guys heal up. We need more ghouls. Ooh. Someone just got shot almost. Using self. Okay, no, you guys start firing at these guys. You start firing at this guy. Ooh. Oh, shit, they're already here? And he just died? Oh, yeah, that's right. We caught him with like a split second left. And those guys are going over that way. Okay, so let's send our Kylian, Shoat down here. Caught can come and grab. We need to have your shield. Okay, I think we're gonna make a separate one for close combat people. Okay, everyone else has guns here. No, there's some close combat. It'd be a good way to wipe. They got stunned. Lori, let's get her out of here. Ooh, yeah. Okay. They definitely do work. Oh, yeah, we gotta set that to chop. There we go. Backside. Artie, you can self-tend. Tend to Artie. Cows, keep going after you. He's dead. Let's put you on him. So he stops shooting. Everybody with close combat now. So we'll get everybody to run down here. Self-resurrect, that's fine. And then gear, we'll drop that since it's useless for you. You need to put on your goddamn shield belt. Where did I go? You hit the masterwork one. What? Are we full of bodies again? Oh, whoops. No, let's not haul him here. Haul him over there, and we can bury him.